Welcome to TechMania, where we explore the latest gadgets, smart technology, and products that help you make better buying decisions. If you're looking for a premium mechanical keyboard for gaming and productivity, you might be wondering if the Keychron Q1 HE wireless is actually worth buying. What do its specifications really mean in everyday use? Who is this magnetic keyboard best suited for? Why are Hall-effect keyboards becoming the new standard for competitive gamers? Does it offer good value compared to other flagship custom keyboards? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, discounts, and availability. The Keychron Q1 HE wireless combines the premium build quality that Keychron's Q series is known for with cutting-edge Hall-effect magnetic switch technology. Whether you're a competitive gamer, programmer, writer, or creator, this keyboard is designed to deliver exceptional speed, customization, and typing comfort. One of its biggest highlights is the Keychron double-rail magnetic switches. Unlike traditional mechanical switches that rely on physical contact, magnetic switches use Hall-effect sensors to detect key presses. This allows for adjustable actuation points, smoother keystrokes, and longer-lasting performance because there's less physical wear over time. Another game-changing feature is rapid trigger. Instead of waiting for a key to fully reset before it can be pressed again, rapid trigger dynamically activates and resets based on the key's movement. In competitive games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty, this enables quicker strafing, faster counter movement, and more responsive inputs that can make every action feel instantaneous. The keyboard is also hot swappable, allowing you to replace compatible magnetic switches without soldering. This makes customization much easier, whether you're experimenting with different switch types or replacing individual switches in the future. The premium CNC machined aluminum chassis gives the Q1 HE a solid, high-end feel. Its weight helps keep the keyboard firmly in place during intense gaming sessions, while also contributing to a satisfying and stable typing experience that enthusiasts appreciate. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a quick like. It really helps the channel. Connectivity is another major strength. The Q1 HE supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, and wired USB-C connections. The low-latency 2.4 GHz mode is ideal for competitive gaming. Bluetooth makes switching between laptops, tablets, and desktops incredibly convenient, and wired mode ensures uninterrupted performance while charging. Customization reaches another level through QMK launcher compatibility. Instead of being limited to factory settings, you can remap keys, create custom macros, adjust actuation distances, configure rapid trigger behavior, and personalize the keyboard to match your workflow or gaming preferences. Compatibility is excellent as well. The keyboard supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a great option regardless of your operating system. Keychron even includes operating system-specific keycaps, allowing you to switch layouts quickly. The compact 75% layout strikes an excellent balance between functionality and desk space. You retain dedicated arrow keys and function controls while freeing up additional room for mouse movement, something many gamers and professionals appreciate. Compared with many premium gaming keyboards in the same price category, the Keychron Q1 HE wireless stands out with its Hall-effect magnetic switches, rapid trigger technology, QMK customization, hot swappable design, 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, and full aluminum construction. Rather than simply offering RGB lighting and gaming branding, it delivers professional-grade customization and performance for both gaming and productivity. If you've been searching for the best Hall-effect keyboard, the best wireless gaming keyboard, or a premium custom mechanical keyboard with rapid trigger, the Keychron Q1 HE wireless deserves serious consideration. Its combination of advanced magnetic switches, exceptional build quality, and nearly limitless customization makes it one of the best enthusiast keyboards available today. Thanks for watching TechMania. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and buying guides, and I'll see you in the next video.